People from all over the globe are really excited about blockchain, but most still have no idea what it is, how it works, or what its true impact might be.
What the f*** is Bitcoin?
That is, until now.
Digital assets based on top of digital infrastructure will really unleashing the full power of programmable money.
Blockstreet is the beginner's guide to the digital economy. Whether you want to learn about distributed ledgers, figure out how to buy, trade, and store cryptocurrency, or discover the most influential people in the space, we simplify blockchain for the world.
Nobody really knows what blockchain means.
We're seasoned creators partnering with industry thought leaders to produce videos, podcasts, and articles. Our programming ranges from intro guides to in-depth conversations with some of the brightest minds in crypto. So head over to BlockstreetHQ.com and join our community as we simplify blockchain for the world.